Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Actually, you can see this picture. This is a picture of a sea, and you can see a ship here. There is a long bus in the sea. Actually, this ship is a hired ship. This ship will be hired by a man for to pass his to pass his leisure time in the sea, in the middle sea. And you can see the time is at noon. I think the time is noon because I can see sun here, and there's a laptop chair. This chair is for comfortable sitting, and you can see laptop for personal work. People can use this laptop for this personal work in the street. And you can see the dolphins were jumping in the sea. And normally dolphins are very peaceful animal, and they always jump in the sea, and they can jump over 10 to 12 foot. Okay, this is very long jump. And you can see another ship in front of the ship. Actually, both of ship will be hired for the vacation. For to pass their vacation. So here's all these things I can see in the picture, and I suggest everyone to go this if anyone can get free time. So I suggest him to go this sea, because this area is very beautiful. To hire a ship and to go on the sea. So that's all this thing I can see in the picture.